report called Blind Spot of the Transformation actually shows that currently managers are afraid of the dark, but they are not switching on the light. Almost half of the companies are not actively monitoring the energy consumption in Poland. We can see it in a positive light, that 52% of the companies, they are aware, but the other half are not. And in order to make sure that the energy efficiency is brought home, 1/3 of the companies invested in LED lighting or in thermal insulation, but not enough are seriously thinking about energy management, which basically is driving a bigger efficiency on the entire energy ecosystem. Because Poland, it's a very industrial market, the cost of energy has a direct impact in the cost of goods sold by those companies. The main driving forces that are challenging the energy market today are basically three, in my opinion. The first one is the new energy landscape, where we see a lot of transition towards renewable, a lot of new applications that are rising in EV, but also in electrification of industry, which puts a lot of pressure on the network. The second trend that we see is the digitalization with the boost of AI and usage of digital means that comes with a huge demand of energy consumption. And the last one, I think it's reduction of global influence in terms of energy sources, which brings on fragmentation and need of resilience. In the 20 countries that we are covering in Central Eastern Europe, the main difference that we see from an energy perspective is the energy mix. There are some countries that are way ahead by onboarding on renewable energies like Romania or Baltics, and some other countries that are transitioning now towards more renewables and also being more independent from an energy perspective. Poland itself, it's in the midst of all this, and for us is representing the biggest industrial engine, which comes with a bit of a risk because energy requires as a component stability for a proper business planning on the industrial footprint.